everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, hey, I'm London. If you're not, hey, what's up? Yeah, I know I'm starting the video with a base on, my eyebrows done, and no glasses. And that's because I'm just going to attempt to make up my face to look good for a New Year's Eve night that I'm going to spend in my PJs. So I've already got all of my base done except for, you know, your contour and all of that good stuff. I just wanted to knock all of that out of the way. So basically this is just going to be my eye look. I'm using a mix between the Jaclyn Hill palette, the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art that has the blue, and then I was so inspired this year to play with the Wet n Wild Distortion press glitter. And it is super dark outside, so using every light in the house to illuminate my face. Okay, I was totally convinced I was going to use this. It's like a strange gel-like consistency, so I figured that'd just be fun to kind of play with tonight since it is New Year's Eve. So let's just get this look going. So basically the Morphe palette, Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm just using for the blended colors. I might use the blue in here. I'm gonna pick up this shade here and throw it in the crease. Okay, so I just took a little bit of a lighter color just to soften out the edges. I wish I knew the names, but I just took a very, very softer shade to blend it all out. And then I'm going to take I'm going to take more of a flat brush. This is the BH Cosmetics number 8. And I'm just going to dip in that color. And it's more of an indigo color, so it's not the blue tone that I'm going for, but it's going to be hopefully a perfect base. And it is always, they blend very well. I'm just trying to be very, very careful. I really like this color for my eyes, like okay, so now we're going into the playful colors, and I'm going to just put some of this main coat down, and then I'm going to start with that glitter and use this as obviously the liner. So let's just see how much I can screw this up. And these are really, really wet, so don't look up until it like dries, because now I've got transfer. I'll have to clean that up. So I drug that into kind of like the inner corner. I do not like this lighting, so I just plastered that all over my eyes. And again, that is the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art in Crystal Cobalt. And then just for kicks and giggles, I'm going to take a flat wet shader brush and pack in that glitter. Add some more fanciness to this. And like I said, it's like a gel texture, so who knows if this is even going to work. Well, it's kind of working, but it's putting it in really strange ways. And now I'm going to go back in with those colors. And I'm just going to blend in those colors once again, just to warm it back up. And goodness, this is glitter, and this is some sort of weird gel-like textured glitter. So it's moving and it's getting everywhere. So I think I've got what I want. And I'm going to go ahead and pop on some eyeliner, mascara, and lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is it of the video. As you can see, I've got my eyelashes on. Let me zoom out. Here is the look. I added my necklace back on, pulled my hair down, just gonna give it a fluff. So the eyelashes are the Kiss Flirty. I use the Duo Glue. That is not in the black. My normal everything. I will also have everything listed in the down bar below, and then I contoured and highlighted with the Bourre de Plage palette. So obviously I used the two, and then I used this one, which is Rivage, or I'm guessing that's how you would pronounce it, is Rivage. So yeah, we'll have everything listed in the description box down below with all of the products I used today. I just wanted to bring you guys my twist on a New Year's Eve look that I will be wearing while I sit in the living room, edit this video, and then go to bed, and call it a 2018 welcome. So I love you all. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell, because we all know YouTube just doesn't care anymore. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Share it if you liked the video. Again, everything will be listed down in the description box, and here are my social medias. And so guys, I will see you in 2018. I hope you guys have had a wonderful New Year's Eve. Enjoy your New Year's Day. I know everybody has off. Enjoy the fireworks. Stay safe. Make sure if you're drinking, grab a cab or have a DD. Whatever you do, have a wonderful night and enjoy. It is the new year. So I will see you all in 2018. Peace.